I'm Joyce Rollins, and I'm here to nominate Dr. Chris Young for the Patient's Choice Award. And it is my privilege to do so. I had waken up one morning and I was on the phone and experienced sort of a word salad and didn't think much more about it. It happened one day, a couple of days later. So I just happened to have an appointment with my primary care physician, and he said, well, let's just run a scan to make sure, CAT scan, to make sure everything's okay. And I had the scan. I was leaving the hospital, and he said, don't leave the hospital. We think you have a brain tumor. And not knowing whether it was malignant or not, we decided to go to MD Anderson. To cut a long story short, after doing all of the scans, they realized that as opposed to being a tumor, it was an aneurysm. That's when I was transferred to Dr. Young's care, and that was probably one of the most fortuitous events of my life, because I don't think I could have searched the world over and found a doctor who would have had the empathy and just, I've never seen a doctor that cared as much as Dr. Young. It wasn't so much the fact that he treated the aneurysm, he treated my heart and my soul. There was a coil of some sort that he told me that he had used. My husband told me the story later that when he talked to Dr. Young about how the surgery had been done, my husband told Dr. Young that he would have been an excellent plumber from the experience that he had. I still have the aphasia, but I am lucky, considered that this aneurysm had ruptured. So there was a point where, as my primary physician told me, I could have died. So I was lucky in many ways, but the fact that I got the care that I did from Dr. Young, that was the best part of all. He treated me as a patient like he would have treated one of his family members. And that's an important thing, to see each person as someone who has a husband, someone who has a child. And that's what I saw in him, that he was able to see, not through the fact that I'm just here and I'm just a number, but I was somebody that he intended to take the kind of care of that he would have a family member. I knew I was in good hands. And then after meeting him a couple of times after, he won my heart. If I could have adopted him and brought him home with us, we would have done it. Hopefully, he will pass this on to his children, and we'll have more Dr. Youngs, because that's exactly what we need in the medical field and in the world today. More Dr. Youngs.